Today, guys, we have the best of the market, the best ever, the most amazing thing you can ever eat in your life. We have a Japanese Wagyu A5 dry aged for 60 days. But before we getting into cutting this baby up and seasoning it, I want to thank Meet the Butchers for sending this beauty to me. At the end of the video, I'm going to have a lot more information for you guys about Meet the Butchers, but they are the ones that send this to me and they are the ones that make it possible. And I want to ask you guys to hook me up and subscribe to the channel. We're putting 2 videos a week with a lot of fun, a lot of information, a lot of grilling, and a lot of smoking. So if you like any of those things, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and now let's get into this, baby. Alright guys, we have this beauty here with us and it's time to take it out of the package. Oh man, I'm dying to take this out of the package. It's looking so beautiful there. And at this point, all I want to do is I want to touch it. I want to feel it. I want to see that beautiful fat that the Wagyu has in my hands. And believe it or not, this is an already tender steak. It's falling apart. This here is not any regular steak, guys. This is a Kagoshima Wagyu A5. And it's coming to you straight from the south part of the island of Japan. People in Japan can swear that this is the product of that beautiful weather they have from that section of the island. This Wagyu has been the winner of many competitions of Wagyu in Japan, and it's one of the most amazing pieces of meat that you will find anywhere in the world. And besides this being a beautiful piece of meat, it's being also dry aged for 60 days. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean those borders up right now. And there you have it, guys. This is what we have. Look at those colors. And this is all the trimming we have to do. Of course, we are not throwing this away. I'm gonna save it for later. Here you can already see the beautiful colors of this meat and the marbling inside that deep red meat that has been dry aged for 60 days. Wagyu is that type of meat that behaves in ways that you never expected. Look at my hands. That fat is coming off that steak and it haven't been cooked yet. It's melting in my hands. Well, I guess it's time for me to show you how I season this amazing meat. This is gonna be salt and pepper. That's it. People, this baby is ready. We put some salt on it, we put some pepper on it. We're not gonna put anything else because a good steak, that's all it needs. We're gonna leave it on the side for about 20 to 30 minutes. I want the steak to sweat a little bit so it can suck that salt and that pepper a little bit inside. And meanwhile, let's prepare chimichurri sauce, guys. I think you never saw me doing chimichurri, and I'm telling you, it's awesome. So let's go with that. Making my secret chimichurri sauce is really easy, guys. You need a lot of parsley. I'm talking about half a cup of parsley, more or less. Or if you want to put more, you can put more. That's completely open to you. We will need 3 or 4 garlic cloves. Just make sure that you cut them well and you mice them as much as you can. Put them on the bowl too. Of course, if you want a little bit of heat on your sauce, you have to add some green pepper. And this all depends on how you like it. If you like a lot of heat, you can put 2 of them. 1 is good enough. After that, we're gonna add half a cup of virgin olive oil. That's gonna get all those flavors from all those spices and put them together and mix it really well. My chimichurri has to have a little bit of red wine vinegar, just for that little acid touch. Salt, however you want it, and pepper as much as you want. And this is the result. Alright guys, that chimichurri is in the fridge. This baby has been sweating already. Look at it, it's sucking all those spices in. It's time to grill, guys. I can't wait any longer. Let's go. Miss Ninja, I have a treat here for you today.
You definitely do.
You have no idea what this is. I want you to try it, and I want you to tell me if you get a hint of what it is.
I will, definitely.
The smell is incredible, guys.
Yes,
the
it
smell
is.
amazing.
Oh, yes, it is. So, are you ready?
Alright.
Because I am more than ready.
Let's get this beautiful piece here. I'm gonna cut you this section.
My mouth is watering. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna cut you that section there.
Wow. Can I have the
Alright,
middle one?
Miss Ninja. You can get whatever you want.
There we go.
I get the cap. No problem.
Ready?
Ready for it?
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Oh, my God.
Wow.
I know what it is.
What the hell? Wow.
Amazing.
Guys, I cannot wait any longer. This is delicious, brother
And sisters.
Oh my goodness, guys, listen to me.
I know.
Messenger,
Look, I know
I
it was
have to
wild.
explain this thing. I have to explain this thing, all right?
Okay.
You have the tenderness of the Wagyu. You have that melting in your mouth of the Wagyu. You chew on it 2 times. It will melt off, and then you get that umami flavor that come off your nose. This is amazing. This is delicious, brother.
Let me ask you something. Is this Wagyu dry aged?
This is a Japanese Wagyu A5 60 days dry age, guys. This is the top of the summit. This is nothing better than this. I never tried something like that before.
This is unbelievable.
This
Seriously.
is crazy.
It is crazy. It is crazy.
Wow.
It is crazy.
Miss Ninja, talk to me about the flavor.
Well, Ninja, talk about the price. Because this.
Well, I will tell you this. I don't know the price of this thing. I had to thank Meet the Butchers for sending this to us.
Alright.
And this
Thank
is the
you.
problem we have with that. I talked to Uri and I asked him, Uri, where's the link on the website so I can tell people that they can buy it there if you want to buy it? And he said, that thing doesn't exist on the website.
Oh my God.
I was like, okay, so how will people be able to buy this beauty? Because. And he said that you need to contact him directly on Instagram. Send me a DM on Instagram directly. I'm putting his Instagram down here. Contact him directly. This is not on the website. This is not on any website. This is only Instagram, DM, Uri stuff, and that's it.
So that's unique.
It's pretty unique.
Whoa.
They have a limited edition of this beauty, as you can imagine.
Can imagine the
So
price.
it's amazing. I don't know the price.
Wow.
This is what happened, guys. Let me explain something to you. When you dry age something, and you dry age something in a place where other meats are being dry aged, the bacteria, the penicillin bacteria, transfer from one meat from the older meats to the new meat. This is not a bag dry age anything.
So this is the real truly dry
This is
age.
something dry age on a warehouse where there is a lot of different meats on a lot of different stages doing a lot of different things, and those bacteria, they get transferred into this amazing piece of meat and get a Wagyu A5 and make a ridiculous thing out of it, which is crazy. The umami flavor. I don't even know how to describe it, guys. I wasn't prepared for this. And I know I sound like, oh my God. It's, oh my God. Let me tell you, it's, oh my God. For real.
It is.
If you like beef, this is the Everest. That's it. There's nothing bigger than this. I mean, I don't know if you go to 100 days or something like that, it would be even better. I don't know about that. I'm telling you, this is the best thing I ever tried.
Wow. I'm speechless. But let me tell you.
What?
First of all, Wagyu flavor is super special. Number one. The savoriness in your mouth and the richness all the way around your palate. It is undescribable. This is an experience out of this world.
This is a combination. This is
It's amazing.
Wagyu.
Unbelievable.
The first bite is Wagyu. It's the regular, amazing, crazy A5 Wagyu, and then you have the heat on the face of the dry age, which is incredible.
Amazing.
But I mean, even though I don't want to stop talking about this meat, we need to stop talking about the meat and talk about the shout out share. Let's go to the shout out share.
Yes.
Shake it.
Shake it. Yeah, okay. Enough.
All right, Miss Angel, grab your stuff in there. There you go.
Who's the
Miss
winner?
Ninja have a winner. Let's see who it is. Victor Castro. Victor.
Never been a better time, Victor.
You are such a lucky.
You're lucky. Oh, yes, you are.
Man, Victor, you're gonna try the best amazing thing ever done, because I know why you cows are not from this planet. That thing came from somewhere else. I'm calculating it was Mars, but I'm about to think about farther away, because this thing is amazing, guys.
Go from Mars.
Well, guys,
aliens.
Victor, I'm glad that you were the winner today on the shout out share. This is amazing, man. If you try this thing, you will be so spoiled forever. Not for a little bit, forever. And I hope that you guys like the video. If you like it, please hit us with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this is what we do here.
Yeah.
We do amazing stuff like that 2 times a week.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every time we upload the new videos for who? For you.
For you guys. And if you have any question, which I'm sure you will, and if you have any comment, any idea you would like to share, whatever, put it down there in the comments, guys.
Yes, do so.
That's all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
We love you.